What's going on, guys? It's RNR 392. So today we're trying to get these tires put on. So I'm trying to save some money. I'm gonna go on post and see if I can use the tire machine and put these bad boys on myself. I got some Pirelli P0 Neros all season ultra high performance tires for $444. I'll put that what do you call it, a B-roll in the video so you can see the tire I got, and I got it off a tire rack. It was a closeout, so hey, kind of lucked up there because I think these tires run like at regular price around $700 to $800. That's just for the tires. So you still got to figure in if you don't have access to tire machine on post, or if you, I don't know, work at a tire shop, you got to pay that fee. And in Georgia, specifically in Savannah, it's a $35 charge per tire. So $140 to just put some tires on. I don't know if that's high or low, but in your areas, but I know I've paid less for that at the same shop, so they went up by $20. They charged me $15 last time, and that's for my 315s, and these are 275s on the same rim. So exploring other options, needless to say. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I'll be able to get this done and my alignment. But apparently the stock suspension, the toe or camber, I mean, somebody in the comments, whichever one has the tires that make them lean in more instead of it's parallel to the ground. I don't know if that's for handling or what, but the inside of the tires on my car, specifically the passenger front, it's more worn than the rest of the tire. So that's why I want to get an alignment, because the car is only a year old. I haven't taken it around the track, so it shouldn't need an alignment, but I'll find out, and I'll do a little more research to see if that's just how, if that's a common thing with the Daytona 392s. So I'll be seeing that later, or finding out later. What's going on, YouTube? It's RNR 392. A little quick tutorial on how to use launch control on the Dodge Charger. My buddy's gonna show you right quick. Here we go.
All right, so as you can see, we hit Super Track Pack, pull up launch control, and right now we have our launch range at 1500 RPMs. And so to activate it, you're gonna go ahead and press the launch control button, and then just follow the directions on your cluster. So you're gonna put the car in drive. As you can see, it says to launch, press brake, and quickly apply full throttle. So I'm gonna press the brake with my left foot, then I'm gonna quickly apply full throttle with my right. And as you can see, the vehicle locks in at the 1500 RPMs and is ready to launch.
There you go, guys. There you go, guys. That's how you use launch control. So we kind of bust the myth of you having to be on completely flat surface. It's just all on how you actually apply the gas, apparently. So as you saw, there you go, and you're welcome.
said 45.